Hi, welcome to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to import contacts to Google with the help of Excel sheet and Android phone. First open any web browser, then type Google Contacts. Then search. This is the website, open it. I am already logged in with my Gmail ID, that's why I got this page. If you are not logged in, log in with your Gmail ID. Then select contacts. Here you can see one of my contacts saved here. If I want to edit, click on it and edit the necessary changes. Now, I am going to export the contact. Select Google CSV, then export the file. Then, open download file with Excel. Here if you want to add something to the contact, you can add it from the Excel sheet here. Now I am going to copy the contacts from another Excel sheet. Then paste to downloaded contact Excel sheet. Then save the Excel file, CSV format. Then open Google Contacts. Click the import button, then you import that contact Excel file. Now, we easily import that contacts to Google accounts. After that, if you want to take the uploaded contact, you can print it, export it like this, and if you want to do any editing, you can do the editing. Open Settings. Then click Users and Accounts. Select Google. Click on the three dots on the top right side. Then select Sync Now. Then click Contacts. After that click on the Sync Now button. This way, you can easily import the contacts saved on your mobile phone to your Gmail account. If you like this video, please share to others, they can benefit it. Thank you. Bye.